Clear about the present unfair financial world order. The present unfair financial world order working like this image. is a solution to help you. Thomas Jefferson, former President of America. He said, "I believe that banking institutions are more dangerous to our liberties than standing armies. If the American people ever allow private banks to control the issue of their currency, the banks will deprive the people of all property until their children wake up homeless on the continent their father conquered." Jefferson's warning is already here. 40 million American people are living on food stamps. Millions and more are now homeless, living in their tents. All because of one institution. The organization of the Federal Reserve System is a group of private bankers who have stolen the money creation from the American people. Most of the people still believe that the Fed is an agent of the government working in our best interest. But it is not that. There is no greater form of evil in the world today. Let us explore the banking scam. None of us have ever been taught anything about money. The reason is to prevent us from the truth. That money is a trick. Money is a trap. When solving any crime, there is universal truth. Follow the money. But with the banking scam, follow it backwards. Where does the money come from? The world money supply is always growing. Where does all the new money keep on coming from? Money coming from privately controlled global banks. Because all banks are either owned or controlled by private bankers. The real question is, how do the private bankers create the new money? They create it out of thin air. Bankers create money out of nothing. They make it up. Wow. Godlike power. To create something of value out of nothing. A store of keyboard and money is created. In fact, only 3% of the world's form of bills and coins. Which means 97% of money in the world is just numbers typed on a computer screen. This is the truth about present unfair financial world order. Then money is created out of nothing. Thank you for watching this video. Together we can change the world.